Please welcome Chief Executive Officer, the Walt Disney Company, Bob Iger, Chairman Disney Experiences, Josh D'Amaro, and Captain Minnie and Captain Mickey.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for being with us for this special occasion. For more than 100 years, Disney stories have filled the world with joy and wonder, capturing the hearts and imaginations of generations across every continent. And since the launch of the Disney Cruise Line in 1998, our ships have become brand ambassadors that bring our world-class storytelling and the immersive nature of our theme parks to new audiences in new places all over the world. We also know that at the heart of everything we do are the dedicated cast members and employees who create the magic that brings joy to millions of people around the globe. And that's why, in keeping with maritime tradition, we're proud to honor our more than 200,000 employees as the official godparents of the Disney Treasure.
This is an unprecedented era of growth for Disney Experiences, including Disney Cruise Line, where we are more than doubling our fleet to 13 ships by 2031. With the Disney Treasure, we continue to deliver an unparalleled family vacation at sea through the magic of Disney storytelling. The memories that our guests create on board this stunning ship, they will last a lifetime. So, on behalf of our entire team, I am honored to introduce you to the Disney Treasure.
Come with me, come alive. We can see what's on the other side. We'll discover the treasure. Let's live the adventure. Yeah.
Welcome, foolish mortals.
Hoy me tengo que ir, mi amor. Remember me.
How far I'll go.
And now, on behalf of all cast, crew, Imagineers, and employees of the Walt Disney Company, we christen thee Disney Treasure. May God bless this ship and all who sail upon her.
We'll discover the treasure. Let's live the